Welcome back to this week's episode of The Reef.
Good morning, Sharks. It's August 29th, and here is this week's current.
On Tuesday, there will be a volleyball match at Bonita Springs at 6, as well as bowling against Bishop Verot at 3.
On Thursday, there's a volleyball game at North at 5:30 and a girls-only golf match at Island Coast at 3.
On Friday, there is a football game at Out of Door Academy at 7.
On Saturday, there's a swim meet at Port Charlotte Centennial Park at 11, as well as a cross-country meet at Sumner at 8. Please check the school's calendar for the most updated events.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of The Reef. Cheers.